JF-17 Thunder Block 3. JF-17 Thunder Block 3, National Origin, Pakistan and China, Role, Multi-Role Combat Aircraft, Manufacturer, Pakistan Aeronautical Complex, Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group, Unit Cost, $25 to $32 million. Performance, Maximum Speed, 2,400 km per hour, Combat Range, 1,352 km, Ferry Range, 3,500 km, Service Ceiling, 55,510 feet. Note, JF-17 Thunder Block 2 flying 26,660 feet high Nanga Parbat, the 9th highest mountain in the world. Power Plant, RD-93 MA, Kilogram Force, 9,300 Kilogram Force, Kilonewton 92 Kilonewton. The RD-93 MA is an upgrade of the RD-93 engine. The thrust of the RD-93 MA is expected to 9,300 kgf compared to 8,300 kgf of the RD-93, a significant bump up in power which will help the jet to carry more armaments and fly at a higher speed. This has been specifically developed to power JF-17 Block 3 fighter jets. Radar specifications. KLJ-7A Active Electronically Scanned Array Radar System, Transmit-Receive Modules 1000 to 1200 TRM, Minimum Range, 170 km, Maximum Range, 270 km. Air-to-Air Missile, PL-5EII Range 18 km, PL-9 Range 22 km, Ardarder Range 80 km, PL-12 Range 100 km, PL-15 Range 250 to 350 km. Air-to-Surface Missile. CM-102 Anti-Radiation Missile Range 100 km. MAR-1 Anti-Radiation Missile Range 60 to 100 km. ROD-2 Air-Launched Cruise Missile Range 600 km. Anti-Ship Cruise Missile. CM-400 AKG Anti-Ship Cruise Missile Range 100 to 240 km. C-108 AK Anti-Ship Cruise Missile Range 180 km. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.